Ben asked me for a bit of help because he said I did this test and I couldn't figure out exactly what the question was asking me to do. I think I knew all the stuff, but I couldn't work out what answer the question was looking for. And it gave me a really great idea for some videos, but I need your help for these videos. So we're going to call this bit marking live, and I'm going to actually mark some of your work. All you need to do is give me the work to mark. I've got this playlist here that you might be interested in about preparing for exams, and in there's a video about how to answer the exams. And my tip for Ben is actually be methodical. You've got to have a kind of method, a step-by-step how you're going to approach every single question, written or calculation question, to ensure that you can give your best efforts so you can work out what it is that they're asking. And if you can't work out what they're asking, ensure that you can actually pick up a few marks on the way. So what I'm asking that you do is you find questions that you find really hard and you're thinking like, what on earth, how am I supposed to work these questions out? Maybe they're questions you've already done, and actually take a photo of the question with your phone, with your working out, maybe even with your teacher's marking, I don't mind, but a question, your attempt, and I will mark it live on YouTube. Well, maybe not live, but I'll make a video of me marking your question and explaining it how you're supposed to get to the answer. I'll give it my best shot. If you do want to do this, then just try and take the best photograph you can. Give it lots of light, make sure there's lots of light from all sides so I can read. As long as I can read the question well and I can see all you're working out well, I will give my best effort to try and mark that for you and explain how to arrive at a correct answer and what you should be thinking about, what clues you're going to be getting. If you like that idea, then go ahead and do that. My email address for this stuff is kit@GorillaPhysics.com. Okay, don't wear it out, but you know, send me the things, send me photographs from your phone just of work that you find tricky, and I will do my best to go ahead and annotate it for you and explain how you should have got the answers. There's a couple of things that will be really useful for me. Actually, it'll be for me to get to know the things that you guys really find hard so I can make better videos, more targeted videos for you in the future. If you want to see me go through some questions with some example responses, then if you go ahead and go to one of these two playlists, come in, there's an A-level playlist and a GCSE playlist, which takes you through how to decode some questions, takes you through full exam papers, how to work out answers. So that should be really, really good for getting into the mindset that you need when you're answering different questions. And hey, I am really interested to know, even if you don't want to send me something, what are the types of questions that you find the hardest? Write that out in the comments. Maybe that will give me the idea for the next video as well. Thanks a lot for watching. This is GorillaPhysics. I'm Kit Best Masters. We're all about you understanding more, to get more confident, so you enjoy studying your physics, and then you're going to do better in your exams.